US job market shows a strength amid political disputes. Recent government data indicates a strong US job market with January unemployment of historically low 4% and ongoing job growth, marking the second longest streak in American history. However, former President Donald Trump and his administration dispute this positive outlook, highlighting recent job data revision to criticize President Joe Biden's economic performance. Conflicting perspectives on the job growth. The Bureau of Labor Statistics reported that 5,89,000 favored jobs were added in the 2024 that initially estimated following an annual benchmark revision. While such revisions are routine to reconcile survey data with more comprehensive sources, the Trump administration seized this as evidence of economic weakness. Kevin Hassett, director of the National Economic Council, claimed the downwards revision revealed a million fewer workers in the US than previously reported. He stated the job market is a worse than we thought. White House press secretary Caroline Leavitt echoed this, asserting that the report underscores the need for President Trump's pro-growth policies. Here is the understanding and the revision. Economics argue that while the revisions were larger than the usual, it isn't unprecedented. A similar downwards revision of 5,14,000 jobs occurred in the March 2019 during Trump's first term. Such adjustments are a standard, refining initial estimate as more complete data become available. Despite the revision, other indicators suggest the job market remain resilient. Although not as vigorous as immediately post-pandemic, the labor market is still solid. Sign of slowing. However, the labor market isn't without challenges. Hiring slowed in December, hovering at 2013 level, and a fewer Americans are quitting their job. Indicates reduced confidence is finding better opportunities. Long-term employment also spiked in November, reaching its highest level in the over 2 years. Though it improved a subsequent month. Lady Bossiers, senior economist at EY Pathrins, described the labor market as frozen but robust. She forecast job growth to slow below trend this year, with the unemployment rate potentially rising to 4.4%. Here is the future risk. Potential risk loom, particularly Trump's proposed 25% tariff on Mexico and Canada, now delayed to March 1. Steep traffic and heightened policy uncertainty could push businesses to adopt wait-and-see behaviors and pull back on hiring. Bossiers warned this would lead to a slower job growth, weaker economic, and restrained consumer spending amid higher inflation. Last but not the least, while the US job market remains strong, recent data revision and emerging economic risk highlighting underlying vulnerabilities. The contrasting narrative from the Biden and Trump reflect both differing data interpretations and political strategies. Moving forward, distinguish between routine adjustment and a genuine economic shift will be crucial as the nation navigates its economic future. Thank you for watching this video.